Plant daffodils in the fall, usually September or October, before the ground freezes. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Bulbs cannot tolerate standing in water. Daffodils can tolerate some shade, but flowering will be more abundant in the full sun. I just push my spade in as shown, push it forward, and then behind the spade put in 4 or 5 bulbs, and then while holding down the bulbs, pull the spade straight up and out, and then pull the soil back in over them. When putting bulbs in the soil, keep the tops up, pointing up as shown, and the roots down. Soil preparation includes plenty of leaves, grass, or wood chips, not fresh wood chips, in the soil. Plant the bulbs at depth at least twice the height of the bulbs. To care for your daffodils, when the soil is dry to the touch, water them, and plenty of organic material in the soil will keep it moist, and you won't have to water quite so often. Fertilize lightly in the early spring with a balanced fertilizer. I just use my spray fertilizer on the garden hose. Remove spent flowers to encourage more blooms. And this also keeps the bulbs from trying to make seeds, which take all the strength or the energy out of the plant. And do not cut or remove the foliage after flowering. The leaves are essential for a bulb to store energy for the following year. Allow the foliage to die back naturally. If you cut back the foliage off of your tulips, they're not going to come back next year, likely. So that's how I take care of my tulip or my daffodils. And good luck with yours. And we will talk to you next time.